I just tried to book my Disney shuttle and it wouldn't let me, and it wouldn't tell me why. But now I know. So from 9:30 we left. He left on the dot with time to spare. 9:30 with 30 seconds, and he left 2 people. Hey, we don't leave anybody behind. That guy leaves people behind. I felt terrible. I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you. So this Springhill Flamingo Shuttle, it services all the 6 Flamingo hotels. I'm driving down on this day, I-95 on August the 8th. I was 4 hours away. I'm not checked into the hotel yet, and I'm going to try to book the shuttle back anyway. I'm on my phone, but I'm on the MainGate booking website, not their phone app. It causes some confusion and it doesn't send me email verifications.
Book a shuttle for today.
Notice it's 8:17 a.m. in the upper left corner time, August the 8th, booking for the 8th. This is key. I will obviously miss today at 9:40 a.m. to the Magic Kingdom. It's free, but can make the one back tonight at 9:40. Like, I'm not checked in yet. Maybe, I don't think it could know that I'm coming.
At the light, turn left onto Airways Avenue.
I don't think it's going to be hooked up to the hotel. But I did the homework so you don't have to. Stay in all 36 hotels. Full tours inside. Choose the area you want to stay in. Pick your top 3 hotels and watch in fast speed. Book with confidence in under an hour. You don't want to watch 36 videos. You want to watch the game. I stayed in all 36 for you so you don't have to.
So let's see if I can book tomorrow's. Today is Saturday the 8th. See if I can book the 9th tomorrow. What's the 9th? Springhill, Flamingo, Magic Kingdom. Be there. Well, road drop 7:50. Magic Kingdom opens at 8. Or I'll be there early. And then be right after. $35 remaining seats. You see, people are already booking. It's 24 hours from the departure time. Okay. Oh, wait. The 35 must have been. So it's 8:25 a.m. this morning. It won't let me book tomorrow. Okay, well, let me do it. I'm not sure how. They were saying seats were already. $50. What if I change that to $7.50? Let me book that. So this would be 24 hours past that. And let me book it. It is 24 hours. So let me book the earlier one. I'm still not checked in, so I've got the 9th booked now. Also, that's early.
24 hours is the deal. It wanted to. Once I couldn't book the 9:50 because it was 8:30. But the 7:50 for tomorrow, within 24 hours, I was able to book it. And it won't let me do the 10th. I'll try. I'm gonna try one more time because it's 10:08 a.m. on Saturday the 8th. I know I can't book for tonight because we're already past the departure date. I'm gonna try to book the 11th, so that would be Tuesday. Make sure you get the right year in there. I'm gonna go from Springhill. Flamingo. Go to Magic Kingdom Ticket and Transportation Center. You can get to Epcot, and then, or through on the monorail, or you can get to Magic Kingdom on the monorail or the ferry. Still have that last leg to go. If you're going to go to Hollywood Studios, you have to walk through Epcot to get on the Skyliner. Right over there, you can't get to the Animal Kingdom. We'll say 7:50. The park opens at 8 a.m. Magic Kingdom opens at 8 a.m. Tuesday. We'll try to come back after fireworks. Raining. So this is for the Tuesday the 11th. Yeah. Nope. Only 24 hours in advance. Okay, I'm at the Springhill Suites. I got here at 2, and they don't have any rooms available. They had some maybe on the first floor, but I quickly told them I'd like to be on the higher floor. I can wait, go over here and get something to eat. But yeah, I said, so y'all full? He said, yeah, they've been real busy. They were almost full last night, or full. I'm not exactly sure what he said, but they're still cleaning rooms, and so they just don't have anything available, even though I gave them my Bonvoy member number, so supposedly that would help. And so I'm on a waiting list. I'm going to go over and get something to eat at Five Guys, and it's the way it goes sometimes. But, you know, I could go to a park if you're You know, definitely. Family coming the first time, this would be great. Just go over to the park and check in later, but I'm going later tonight to Magic Kingdom.
So yeah, talking about 30 minutes.
It's weird. So I've made it here. It's Saturday. It's 3 o'clock. They didn't have rooms. They had busy booked last night. They're still cleaning rooms. I couldn't book. I couldn't get in yet at 2. That's when I got here. Now, when I scanned the QR code, the app came up differently. It looks a little different, but I need to book for tomorrow night. So August is correct. I need to book for the 9th because I don't know. The internet gave me fireworks were at 9, and then I looked up again and it said 10. So I looked up on Disney's the app, Disney's app, and fireworks at Magic Kingdom are at 10. So tonight coming back at 9:30, I can't book now because the windows, it's a goofy app. Like I can't book. Let's just make sure that's true. I'd like to come back tonight at 10:30. See how it says rate 0 right there? On this one it shows. So today, Springhill. Okay. Please select the date of future service signal when we do it. Alright, so let's try to. Okay, it comes up differently when I go to the front desk and hit the QR code. This is the way that it comes up. And it won't let me, I just tried it at 8th, it won't let me book for today. Same here on this app. It just looks a little bit differently. So we'll book it for tomorrow, the 9th, at Springhill, Flamingo. We want to go to the Magic Kingdom TTC. We want to go in the morning. We'll come back after fireworks this time. No wheelchair. Thank you. So 0 is the rate. And proceed. Okay, there it is. That wants more information. It just looks a little different here. So tomorrow, look at that. Okay, so I've got a book coming back tomorrow night at 10:30. Okay, let's see if it gave me any confirmation this time. Yep, look at that. Okay, it's weird. That gave me a confirmation. Huh. That's good. Okay. Okay, just because I thought, for some reason, I thought you could book 48 hours in advance. Now that I'm on this app, I'm going to try it here. Let's go backwards. We will choose for, not tomorrow, but the 10th, which will be Monday. We'll go from Springhill. We'll go to the Magic Kingdom TTC. We'll leave 9:40 since I can't. I guess I could try to do early entry. See what that's like. Either way, I'm not gonna stay all day. I'll come back. And then tonight's early, so this would be turn time's late. Only 24 hours in advance. Okay. Yeah, not the easiest app. You wouldn't even know this is the app to use, really. I guess you could find it on their website, but once you get there is really when you find out, oh, this is the shuttle, this is how it works. You walk up to the desk whenever you check in, and if you check in at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, today, 6 o'clock, you get in late, and you try to set the shuttle for tomorrow, you can do that, but when it gets busy in the hotel, when it's full, when you come during busy season, and it'll be booked. Gosh, I feel like one time I booked 48 hours in advance, but can't do that. Not the greatest. This is just not good in so many ways. I'm sorry. I don't want to say terrible. I was in a hurry. I barely made it to the bus. He left some people. I feel bad. My glasses, one of my lens popped out. If you have a family, you may not have them when this is over with. How in the world, how do I end up in these situations after 49 trips? 49, that's ridiculous. How do I end up in these situations after so many trips. I have no idea. You think you're just going to go from here to there and everything's going to be perfect. Whatever you choose, Lyft or Uber, bus, shuttle, you drive, and yeah, it can be an issue. Just don't expect things to be perfect. People behind me got to be wondering, why is he filming this dark bus ride? You know, the truth is, because I was in the Magic Kingdom, I just got kind of lost in the spirit of what was going on. And I kind of forgot, well, I got to take the monorail back across the 7 seas to get to the shuttle. Literally, 30 seconds. I mean, maybe he turned the lights out, 5 to 30 seconds, and he let me on. But it was 9:30. The shuttle was 9:30. I got on at 9:30. And then 2 other people were running behind me, and he just took off. He just left them. I feel terrible for those people. They just got left. So they're going to be taking an Uber or Lyft home. No way around it. This was tough. Springhill, this is my stop. Thanks, sir. I'm still laughing. I mean, that's 1, 2. That guy's got somewhere to go. He's got a meeting tonight or something. He's got to get home. His wife's mad at him. Oh my goodness. I'm at Springhill Suites. I can't stop laughing. I feel bad inside. I'm lucky. I don't know what to say. What a terrible experience. I'm so thankful that I have a truck, have my own vehicle. I don't know what to say. Part of it's my fault. Part of it's the craziness. I'm back at Springhill Suites. What time is it? I don't know. What time did it take? Is it up there? 9:46. So from 9:30 we left. He left on the dot with time to spare. 9:30 with 30 seconds, and he left 2 people. Hey, we don't leave anybody behind. That guy leaves people behind. I felt terrible because I made it. And it was 9:30. He turned the lights off. He let me on. Where are you going? Springhill Suites. Let me on. It was my fault that I ran so tight because things got canceled. The parade. If the parade had happened, how would I have made it? I don't know. So I got on the monorail. It took a little bit to get to the resort. If I'd taken the express, I never would have made it. And then, gosh, it's hard for me to even understand what happened. I got on the resort monorail. We don't stop at the Contemporary. And got back 2 minutes off at the TTC. And I made it to C2035 where I didn't even know where that was. Made it. I saw him down at the end. I said, that's got to be my ride. I get down. He cuts the lights out. And 50 steps away, I'm starting to run. I get up there. He opens the door. Where are you going? Springhill Suites. Get on. I get on. Sit down. Break my reading glasses. I feel the lens pop out. He takes off. We're still there. And there's 3 other people running behind. They're right there. He could have stopped. He didn't. He kept moving. Made it back. Thank God I have a vehicle to drive in and out when I want to. That was tough. That's a whole lot of pressure. But here I'm back. There you go. I still feel bad.
Continue for half a mile.
Why am I such a silly little man? There's the guy.
Stop guessing. Don't book the wrong hotel. ddadbudget.com.